Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Seema Gupta and today I will describe assignment problem which is a chapter of operation research. So, an assignment problem is a special case of transportation problem where the objective is to assign a number of resources to an equal number of activities so as to minimize total cost or maximize total profit of allocation. So we have two types of problem. First, minimization problem which can be balanced or unbalanced. Second, maximization problem which can be balanced or unbalanced. First of all, I will tell you what is the balanced problem. The problems in which number of rows are equal to number of columns are called balanced problems. It means if we have number of rows are 3, then number of columns must be 3. And if number of columns are 4, then number of rows must be 4. And what are the unbalanced problems? The problems in which number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Then the problem will be called unbalanced problem. To solve unbalanced problem, first of all, the problem is being converted into balanced problem by introducing dummy row or column as per requirement. So now we have unbalanced problem. Here we will convert this unbalanced problem into balanced problem. So student, you can see we have 4 row M1, M2, M3, M4 and here we have 5 columns 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What will we do here? We will introduce a dummy row. So, we will put here value as 0. So, now you can see here we have 5 row and 5 column. So, the order of this matrix is equal now. So, we can say this is our balanced problem. Here we have steps how to solve assignment problems. Step 1. First of all, we will subtract the smallest element of every row from every element of the corresponding row. Second step, subtract the smallest element of every column from every element in that column. Then step 3. Draw minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines to cover all the zeros. And step 4. If the number of lines are equal to order of matrix, then the solution will be optimal. But if the number of lines drawn are not equal to or less than the order of the matrix, then the solution will not be optimal. For this situation, we will go to step 6. Select the minimum uncovered element from the matrix and subtract this element from all uncovered elements and add it to the element lying on the intersection of lines. The covered element by lines will be remain same. And the last step, go to step 3 and then step 4 and the same process will be repeated again and again until the number of lines drawn are equal to order of matrix. So now students, I will tell you a practical of this chapter so that you can understand in a better way. So students, this is our original matrix. This is our assignment problem in which these are setups S1 setup, S2, S3, S4 and S5 and these are brands. Brand 1, brand 2, brand 3, brand 4 and brand 5. And these are cost. These are setup cost. We have to minimize these cost. So we will learn how to minimize this cost. First of all, we will do row minimization. So this is our first row. You can see in this row we have smallest element is 4. So we will subtract this element from this row. Like 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Same process we will repeat it with the second row. In this second row, you can see smallest element is 3. Like 7, 3, 6, 9, 5. You can see 3 is the smallest element. We will subtract this 3 from all these elements like 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then we will do this process with the third row. In the third row, you can see smallest element is 4. So, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now, check the fourth row. 9, 12, 7, 11, 10. You can see 7 is the smallest element. So, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And the last row. Here 5 is the smallest element. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. So here our first step complete. So students, now we will minimize our column. Like this is our matrix and this is our first step matrix. In this matrix we have minimized the row. Now we will check with our columns. So this is our first column S1. You can see 0 is the minimum element. So the all element will be remain same. Like 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Here also 4, 2 and 2. So now we will go to second column. Here also 0 is the minimum element. So all elements will be same. Like 2, 0, 1, 5, 0. Now we will go to our third column. You can see 3, 3, 0, 0, 4. So here also 0 is the minimum element. So all elements will be remain same. In the fourth column, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, you can see 1 is the minimum element. So here we will deduct this 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we will go to our last column, fifth column. Here 2 is the minimum element. So we will deduct this 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So student, this is our second step. Now we will go to our third step. Now we have to draw lines so that we can cover these zeros. So student, you can see in the first row we have 2 0. And if we will see this column, then in this column, in the first column, we have only 1 0. So we can draw lines like this. If we will draw this line, then we can cover 2 0, first 0 and second 0. Now you can check with second row. Here we have also 2 0. So we will draw the line like this. First 0 and second 0. Now you can see in the second column we have only 1 0, but we have to cover this 0. We can draw line like this. We can draw line like this also. There is no difference. Here you can see we have 2 0. So we will draw the line like this. Because if we draw the line like this, then we can cover 2 0. And if we will draw the line like this, then we can cover only 1 0. So we have to cover maximum 0 with the minimum lines. So you can see students, here we have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But you can see order of the matrix is 5 into 5, like 5 columns and we have 5 rows. So we can say our solution is not optimal. We have to go to the next step. So we have to check the minimum element from these uncovered elements. Like these elements are uncovered. We can't check these covered elements. So in these uncovered elements, you can see 1 is the minimum element. So we will select this one. And now what will we do? We will calculate our this matrix. In this matrix, what will we have to do? These elements, we will select first of all this element 4. 4 minus 1. We will subtract this 1 from these all uncovered elements. So now we have here 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So here in the fourth column and third row and fourth column, this 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then this fifth column and third row. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So you can see we have calculated our all uncovered elements. Now we will go to these covered elements. So students, you can see here two types of covered elements. Like this element, this is covered by one line only. And this element, this is covered by two lines, like this line and this line. So first of all, we will calculate these elements 2, 0, 3 and 3. Because these are at the intersection of lines. We will add this one to this element, like 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here we can see B1 and S2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now this 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we have these elements, covered elements by only one line. We will write these elements like this, same. 0, 4. Here we have 1, 5, 0. So here we have 1, 5, 0. Here we have 0, 0, 4. So here we have 0, 0, 4. Here we have 0, 5. 0, 5. Here we have 5, 0. 5, 0. So student, this is our new matrix. Now what will we do here? We will draw the lines here also. Now you can see here in this column we have only 1 0. And in this row we have 2 0. So we can draw the line like this. Okay. Now we will check with our second column. Here we have only 1 0. So, and this row, second row, here we have only 1 0. So student, you can check with this column. Here we have 2 0. So we can draw the line like this. Now you can check with fourth column and fifth column. You have 1 0 in the fourth column and 2 0 in the fifth column. So students, you can draw the line like this. This line covered 2 0. Now we have 1 0 here and 1 0 here. For this 0, we can draw a line like this. Also we can draw the line like this. So students, here we will draw the line like this. Now we have this 0. We can draw the line like this and we can draw the line like this. It is at your option that how will you draw the lines. Now you can see here we have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is equal to our order of matrix, because we have 5 row and 5 columns and our lines are also 5. Now our solution is optimal. Now we will calculate our cost. Here we will do our selection. First of all, with our first cell, in this cell we have 0. So in this line we can select this cell. If we will select this cell, this 0, then we can't select this. Now with the second row, here we have 1 0. So we will select this 0. Now you can see we can't select this 0 in next row or next column. For the third row, we have 2 0. Here we will select this 0. So we can't select this. In the fourth row, we will select this 0. And in the fifth row, we will select this. So student, here we will write brands and here we will write setups and here cost. So first of all, our brand is B1 and setup is S1. In the second number, B2 and S5. B2 and S5 for the third. B3 and S4. B3 and S4 for the fourth brand. B4 and S3. B4 and S3 for the last row. B5 and S2. Now we will write here our cost. So here you can see in the original matrix like B1 and S1. B1 and S1 cost is 4. For B2 and S5. B2 and S5 cost is 5. For B3 and S4. B3 and S4 cost is 6. B4 and S3. B4 and S3 cost is 7. Last B5 and S2. B5 and S2 cost is 5. So student, you can see our total cost is 27. So this is our minimum cost and our sum completes here. So if you find this video helpful and if you like it, then please like it and share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.